Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to discuss linear equations in one variable of class 8. So I hope you will enjoy this and you will try to solve some problems of your class. Okay, now student, consider a linear equation. An equation is the equality of the values of two expressions. Equation is the equality of two values of the values of two expressions. Now consider this expression. Here we are having two expressions. One is 2x plus 5 and other is 11. This side is known as left hand side, this is right hand side, and we are here to find the value of x, and we are here with some rules that the value if change from LHS to RHS, its sign will change, or if it is in positive it becomes negative in other side. If it is negative, then it will be positive in other side. If it is in multiplication in LHS, then it will be in division in RHS and vice versa. Now consider the first problem. It's a very simple problem for you. If you want to find x from here in lower classes, 7th class, just you by the method of inspection you see that when you put some value of x, you will get 0. So just if you by inspection you put here -5, then you will get 5 minus 5 plus 5 is 0. But you are in 8th class and here we are not use the method of inspection. Here we will find directly that this 5 is in plus, then it goes in RHS, it becomes minus. So x is -5. Similarly, if you are having this problem here, what will you do? This -4 is there. When it goes in RHS, it becomes +4. And here we are having 2 is in multiplication. Then what will we do here? We will divide 4 by 2 because 2 is in multiplication. So it will be in division. So x is 2 here. Similarly, we can solve. And similarly we can solve this problem. So if you I just trying to solve this problem. Now see how to solve this. It is what? 8x plus 4. Now see, first of all you need to solve this bracket. This 3 is in multiplication of x minus 1. Now students, some of you may multiply 3 with x and you forgot to multiply 3 with -1. Now student, try to understand this thing. When 3 is outside the bracket, you need to multiply this 3 with the total value inside the bracket. Just 3 multiply with x is 3x, 3 multiply with -1 is -3, then plus 7. First simplify both the sides. So it is 8x plus 4, and here we are having two constants. As in 7th or 6th class you have seen, or you just learn about how to add integers. It is -3 plus 7, it will be 4. Now in this problem what you need to do, you need to rearrange variables on one side and constant on other side. So if you take here 8x and here is 3x, so variables are on one side and constants, like this is 4 and this is 4, then it will be -4. So 8x minus 3x is 5x, 4 minus 4 is 0. So when you find x, it is 0 divided by 5, and always you know that whenever 0 divided by 5 is always 0. So here x is 0, that is your answer. And if you want to verify that this is your answer, so what will you do? You can check your answer that x is your 0, x0 is your answer. So first what will you do? You will just put L in LHS x as 0. So if x is 0, then LHS becomes 8 into 0, 0 plus 4, 4. And RHS, you can see here, if you put 0 here, 0 minus 1, -1, -1 into 3, -3, 3 plus 7, it will be 4. So you can check that LHS and RHS are same. It means the equality holds here. Okay, now I'm trying to solve one more problem for you. Like if you are having this kind of problem, So there is what we need to do first. We need to just take LCM, and in lower classes you are seen how to take LCM. So here we are having 1, here also we are having 1. So 1 and 3 having LCM 3. So 3 divided by 1 it is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 it is 6y plus 5, and here is also 3. So it is again 26 minus 3y. Now cross multiply with 3, or you can check, because in equal to there is 3 also, there is 3 also. If this 3 comes here in cross multiply, then 3 and 3 will cancel out. So you can cancel out here. So 6y plus 5 equal to 26 minus 3y. 6y, then this 3y, because we need to rearrange all the variables on one side. So this minus 3y becomes plus 3y here. 26 minus, what is this? 5. So this 5 comes here. And it is what? 9y equal to, it is what? 21. So what is your y? Because it is in multiplication, it becomes in division in this side. So this is 3, this is 7. So your y is 7 by 3. Right, students? Now you can just go through one more time. First you need to take 3 as LCM. It is 3 into 2, 6y plus 5. Then again 3 is LCM. Then it is 26 minus 3y. Now you can cancel this 3 with this 3, because if you cross multiply, this 3 comes here and this 3 and 3 will cancel out. So we left only with 6y plus 5 equals to 26 minus 3y. Now we need to rearrange all the variables. So 6y plus 3y and 26 minus 5. So 9y, their sum is 9y, their difference is 21. Y is 21 by 9. 7 by 3, y equals to 7 by 3. So you can solve these two more problems. They are very easy if you have solved the previous one. So please solve these problems, and if you have any doubt, any problems, you can write in my comment box. And in next video I will solve some word problem. So please keep watching my channel and do subscribe it. Thank you.